How to create new Google Play Store account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can create or open new Google Play Store account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open a Play Store in your mobile device. And on the Play Store, creating a new Google Play Store account involves setting up a new Google account as the Play Store is linked to it. That means we don't require any specific type of account for Google Play Store. All we have to do is simply log in with our Google account. So to create new account, what you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right. And here you can log in with your multiple Google account. If you want to create your new account, then what you have to do is tap on the drop down right here and then tap on add another account. Complete your verification, and once you land on this page, tap on create account. Tap on for my personal use, and now you have to fill in the details. So enter your requested details such as your first name and your last name is optional. Tap on next. After that, enter your date of birth and your gender. Once done, tap on next. Here now pick a Gmail address or create your own. You will be provided with some default one. If you want to continue with that, you can choose one from here. If you want to create your own, then simply select the third option and create your own Gmail address. For now, we will just continue with the default one, then tap on next. After that, you have to create a password. Create a strong password, and once you have done, tap on next. After that, you have to verify your phone number, but that is your optional. If you don't want to do that, you can simply skip that. But if you want to add your phone number, you may have to complete the verification process where you will get the verification code in your mobile number. Type in the code and then verify. After that, you have to agree to terms and conditions. Tap on I agree and proceed. Once you are done with that, now you can sign up with your new Google account if prompted. If not, you will be directly logged into your account. So that's how you can create new Google Play Store account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.